I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing interior trim fast, get a Phillips, Torx T15, an 8mm socket and a pry tool ready. You're doing this to access the lock assembly. Once done, keep screws in a container so nothing disappears. First, disconnect battery or disable power locks for safety. Then, remove visible screws and pry clips with steady pressure, work along the seam and lift the panel upward to clear the top edge. You'll feel resistance release. Make sure to detach electrical connectors only after the panel is loose. Once the panel's off, carefully peel back the vapor barrier. Keep it intact if you plan to reuse it. You need to locate the actuator, connecting rods, and the mounting bolts. Mark each rod with tape so reassembly is correct. Now, unbolt the actuator and support the lock mechanism as you free it. Use a small flathead to lift linkage clips and separate rods. This prevents bending. If the rod is stuck, wiggle gently while applying light penetrating oil. Don't force parts or you'll distort alignment. Now you withdraw the lock assembly through the access opening. Rotate as needed to clear the latch. Keep track of the rubber seal orientation so water protection returns to the same position. Inspect clips, rods, and the actuator gear. Replace any cracked or worn parts. Reattach rods and clips, bolt the assembly in place, reconnect power, and test lock/unlock cycles before reinstalling the door panel. Troubleshooting tip. If the lock won't operate, check for bent rods or a loose ground, tighten connections, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.